Hello students, welcome to another grandmaster video. Today I'm going to teach you about numbers. This lesson is mostly suitable for IGCSE students. And if you want to download the printable PDF version of this lesson and elaborated solutions for your textbook exercises, then go ahead and become a $1 patron at patreon.com, because that's going to allow you to download all the printable tutorials that I'll be publishing in my channel. And also don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video, because that's really gonna help my channel grow and encourage me to do more helpful videos for you. What are numbers? A number is a mathematical object that we use to count, measure or label things. Symbols are used to represent numbers, and these symbols are called numerals. For example, you must have heard of Roman numerals and Hindu-Arabic numerals. Observe this table. Each row represents same number, but they are represented with different symbols. Numbers can be grouped into different types as shown in this diagram. The largest set of numbers is called real numbers. Under that we have two main subsets: rational numbers and irrational numbers. Under the subset of rational numbers we have integers, and under the subset of integers we have whole numbers. We can also identify the relationship between these number types using this diagram. Let us now find out different types of numbers. Prime numbers. What is a prime number? A prime number is a whole number greater than 1, whose only factors are 1 and itself. Some examples of prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and so on. Composite numbers. Numbers that have more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. Examples: 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, and so on. What are whole numbers? This is the set of natural numbers, or in other words counting numbers, including 0. So examples: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. What do you mean by an integer? This is the set of whole numbers with all the negative numbers. All the whole negative numbers. Some examples: -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Now let us find out the difference between rational numbers and irrational numbers. What is a rational number? A rational number is a number that can be expressed as a fraction or as a ratio in the form of p over q, where p and q are integers and q is not equals to 0. What is an irrational number? An irrational number is a number that is not rational. In other words, it cannot be expressed in the form of p over q, or it cannot be expressed as a fraction with integer values in the numerator and the denominator. Some examples of rational numbers are half, 8, 5 over 3, square root 4, minus 12, square root 64 over square root 25, 6.25. When a rational fraction is divided to form a decimal value, it becomes a terminating or repeating decimal. Let us find out some examples of irrational numbers. Square root 3, square root 3 over 2, pi, square root 27, 0.13, 133, 1333 and so on, 4 pi. When an irrational number is expressed in a decimal form, it goes on forever without repeating. Now be careful, because some rational fractions may produce a large number of digits in their repeating patterns, which may exceed the size of the viewing screen on a calculator. For example, the fraction 1 over 59 has a calculated display of 0.016949152554, which shows no repeating pattern. But when in reality, the pattern will repeat after 58 digits. Now let us study about irrational numbers further. In general, any number with square root is an irrational number if the number inside the square root is not a square number. For example, square root 4 simplifies to 2. Therefore, square root 4 is not a irrational number. But if you think of square root 2 or square root 3, they have infinite digits in their decimal. Therefore, square root 2 and square root 3 are irrational numbers. Another very popular irrational number is pi. In definition, pi is the ratio between the circumference and the diameter of a circle, and it has a value of 3.14159 and so on up to 100 decimals, as shown in this number. But in reality, it has infinite number of digits. Some computer programmers have calculated the value of pi to more than 22 trillion digits. And if you want to, or if you are interested to know the first 100,000 digits of pi, I'll put a link in the description below. While it is popular to use 3.14 or 22 over 7 to represent pi, these values are only estimates or approximations. See you next time with another interesting scientific learning video.